going to mix the 1/2 cup of butter. I actually use margarine with 1 cup of sugar. So I'm just gonna put this into my bowl here with my little spatula, baby spatula. Okay. And then the 1 cup of sugar. And then I just mix this guy around and break it up to get the sugar and the butter mixed together. All that sugar is gone and mixed within the butter. You want to make sure you see no more granulated sugar. Okay, great, amazing. So next we are going to grab 2 eggs. And we are going to crack these eggs over here and then beat them. And beat my eggs. You want it to look lighter than the yolk. It is all mixed through. Perfect. And then we are going to pour this into our mixture here. Perfect. We're going to mix her all up. Amazing. Next step, we are going to put in our 4 bananas. So we do have frozen bananas here. So I usually cut the top.
And you want to use old bananas, well done bananas, because they have better flavor for them and they squish a lot easier. So what you want to do is when you have these, when your bananas are browned enough, or when you don't eat them, just stick them in the freezer and keep them prepared for when you want to make banana bread. That's what we do. How many bananas?
4 bananas.
4 bananas. And like I said, you want to use the browned ones. You don't want to use fresh bananas. I'm not sure exactly why, but I think
it's just because they're softer and they bake a little bit better.
Yeah,
but I'm
they have more sugars in them and they taste better once they're blended. So now you want to mush them all together in the pot until they're one solid, nice smooth mixture. You can leave it a bit chunky. Some people like it more textured, some people like it smooth, but I think it's either way, it's just preference.
Alright, so then you are going to create your dry mixture in the meantime. So I do have 1.5 cups of flour. You are going to put in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. teaspoon. Of salt. And then what I usually do is mix it in here, and I'll mix it all together to have our dried ingredients all together. And then you will pour this guy into here.
You can add it slowly to the mix, but we found that whether you add it slowly or all at once, it doesn't really change anything. So just add it all at once and mix it until it's all well blended together.
But not least, we are going to add in our vanilla extract. So you're going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. In. Perfect. And then I usually push down all of the mix in the bowl. To have it all set up there. Perfect. So what I am going to do now is I am going to grease these pans. We use Pam here, up in the Canada joint.
Make sure you cover it really well or else it will stick. And that ain't fun, okay?
All right, so now I am going to pour in the mixture. So I only fill them halfway. So that they do bake and rise. And you're gonna put it in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes.
So you're gonna put it in the oven for 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. Here is one we have in the oven right now. I mean, it look amazing. And then you have some beautiful, beautiful banana bread. Now, when you take it out of the oven to check if it's done, you want to put a toothpick in, a wooden toothpick, take it out. If it comes clean like this, that means it's done. And there you guys have it. Fresh banana bread, the best you've ever had. Comment below if you made it and let me know if you like it. Thanks guys.